Lolu cwaningo luthole ukuthi sesisonke isibalo sabantu abamanqika ngokugoma simi ku-72 wamaphesenti. Kulezi balo, u-10 wamaphesenti wabantu uthi usuvele ugomile, u-49 wamaphesenti wona uthi uzogoma nakanjani, kanti u-12 no-5 wamaphesenti wabantu uthi angeke ugome.
What we have is a couple of challenges. The first is that if all of those 72% of people who say that they want to take the vaccine or probably want to take the vaccine were to actually get the vaccine, then we'd still be 8% short of the government's target of 80%.
Iningi labantu abaneminyaka ephakathi kweyishumi nesishiyagalombili kuya kwengamashumi amathathu nesihlanu abakalitholi ithuba lokugoma kepha yize kunjalo kusenenkinga.
Looking at the red columns, you can see that among people aged 55 and above, the rate of acceptance is high, 85%, well above the 72% average. Among the next group, it is slightly lower, and so on downwards. Among the oldest group, the rate of acceptance has risen rather substantially by 11 percentage points, and it was pretty good for the next age category too.
Liyabonakala ke igebe labantu abagomile abanosizo lwezemithi i-medical aid kanye nalabo abangenalo.
But the rate of acceptance amongst white people is very much lower than it is amongst black African people in particular, 52% as against 75%.
Umbiko uthole ukuthi lincane kakhulu iqhaza elibanjwa inkolo eqhuquzeleni umuntu ukuthi agome noma cha. Kunezizathu ezijwayelekile ezisho ilabo abafunayo ukugoma, labo abasemanqika kanye nalabo abathi angeke bagome.
What's interesting to note here is, although it's to a lesser degree, trusting science and government played some kind of role, but also seeing other people vaccinate has also played a positive influence in encouraging vaccine acceptance amongst people.